Solution.
Okay, take down the first question, everyone. Take down the first question. Yeah. Find the value of x quick. 12. 12 to 50 you did. Maintain a separate notebook. Next. Some solutions are not there. Okay, that will do it. Keep it safe. Maintain this notebook separately. Okay. And don't give it to anyone. This current affairs.
Yes, sir.
And what about maths?
So some questions are
Answers are not there.
solutions.
17. Bas utna hi.
19.
19. Okay, that is the question. In 19 you have not done
Yes, sir.
three
Seventh
questions.
one and second.
What about 51 to 100?
one.
Yeah. Every day it will pile up. If one day if you miss 50 questions, the next day you will have 200 questions. Okay, every day I'm going to give 50 questions you to solve from each chapter. समझ में आया? I don't want any excuses. Ismail ने किया homework? Where is that guy? किया homework? नहीं. विश्रुत किधर है? होमवर्क किया? कितने किए? 10. आदत डालना पड़ेगा. You have to develop a habit of doing homework, sacrificing time. नींद हराम करना पड़ेगा आपको. बेटा 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 no problem. Ajay, did you do 51 to 100 questions? What about 51 to 100? Today if I give you 101 to 150, so you have 100 questions to do. So in 3 hours you have to do 100 questions. How will you do it? क्या करेंगे? What about you? Have you done it? You didn't do 1 to 100, correct? Come here. Give me your father's number. 890. This one, right? क्या हुआ? ठीक है बेटा, no problem. I know what. Okay, so we have a good news here. Look here. Few days back we had with us Mr. Gokul. Okay, so just now he messaged me. The merit list has come for the Air Force Academy, and he is get into merit. So from July 1st he is joining the duty. Yes, you understand? समझ में आ रहा है? So that's what I'm trying to say. You have to be spontaneous. If you look at his body language, the way he speaks, he was in flow. Knowledge bhi hai. First of all, he had very good knowledge. I'm not telling that he just cracked it in fluke. Here there are some students who are attending from 1 year. When I asked some questions, this guy was sitting in the last bench and he was answering. Anurag was there, other guys were there, but this guy was answering. तो मुझे मालूम था कि that's the reason he cracked the exam, that's the reason he cracked SSB. He was very good in communication skill, very good in knowledge. एग्जाम पास हुआ, SSB क्रैक हुआ, अभी सर्विस लग गया उनका सर्विस. समझ में आ रहा है? केवी स्टूडेंट्स, ये केवी ईस्ट में था कुछ. You got the point? Everyone can do it. Only thing is you are not serious. The results are here. You are not able to do 50 questions every day. Then how can you, aim for these high exams? Yes. Hmm. Look at this. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Multiplying x. So you get x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. So this is a quadratic equation, right? Yes or no? Okay, then you have to use this method, multiply a and c. I think we have done with the formula method. B square minus 4ac, you get the answer as like this. Okay, formula method में आपको x value मिलेगा. Yeah, what answer you got? 3 plus root 13 by 2, 3 minus root 13 by 2. Some of the students are not getting the answer. They will get answer till here. इधर तक आएगा. इसके आगे they will not solve. Okay, I'll be checking your notes. Come and frankly surrender to me ki sir, I don't know these steps, how to solve this simplification, I don't know how to solve this b square minus 4ac. Come and tell me. Suppose if I find out that you are playing with your notebook, scratching, simply doing rangoli in your notebook, you will be sent out of the class. समझ में आया? No mercy. Because your parents are paying fees to me. It is not you who paid, it is your parents. I am liable to your parents. मेरे को उनको जवाब देना है. समझ में आया? In at the end of the day, when the result comes, they will come with the result. देखो, you are teaching my son, you are teaching my daughter. You got the point? Be frank. Come here to me, sir. I don't know this step. I don't know b square कैसे करना है. Minus 4ac. I don't know how to do it. Come and ask me. ठीक है? Next. Next question. You do it. You try doing this. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. X is equal to Yes. Eyes on the screen. This is the question, right? Fine. So you try to put these things in bracket, otherwise you'll do mistake. So this denominator is different and this denominator is different. I'm going to cross multiply. So this one and this I'll multiply, and this I'll multiply. So the first case, 1 into x minus 7, what you get here? X minus 7. Here what is the sign? Minus. Then look at this. 1 into this, you get x plus 4. If you don't put bracket, you do mistakes. Okay, so whole divided by. Now this and this you have to multiply. That means x plus 4 into x minus 7. This you keep it as 11 by 30. Okay, now this is the first step. Okay, now the second step, what happens? Open the bracket. This is x minus 7. Minus into x gives you minus x. Minus into plus 4 gives you minus 4. Whole divided by. Now how to open this bracket? X into x is how much? X square. X into minus 7 is how much? Minus 7x. Now plus 4 into x is how much? Plus 4x. Plus into minus, minus 4 into 7, 28. So can I write minus 28? This is how you are going to write, and this is 11 by 30. Okay, next, suppose if you want to get the answer for this now. Now x and x, can I cancel this x and this x? Plus x minus x will get cancelled. Now minus 7 minus 4. Minus into minus plus and sign of the greater number. So 7 plus 4 कितना हुआ? Minus 11 हो गया. अभी नीचे क्या बाकी है? Now look at this number. X minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. Sign of greater number. So what you get here? X square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Now can I cancel this 11 and this 11? Right? Because both are in numerator, so I cancel it. With practice you can do it. Now this 30 will go here, so this becomes minus 30 is equal to what is remaining here? 1. So this equation, this complete equation goes here. That means x square minus 3x minus 28, right? Now this minus 30 comes to the right hand side. It becomes what? So 0 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30. Now tell me what is the answer for this minus 28 and plus 30? Plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. So you get x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. You can write 0 here in the left hand side, or you can write 0 in the right hand side. Both are one and the same. Now there are three methods to solve this. Factorization method, completion of the square method, and using the formula. If the numbers are small, you can use formula. If the numbers are something confusing like root 2, root 3, use completion of square method. If the numbers are in factors, okay, then you take the factors. Okay. So now let me use the formula x is equal to, Abhiral is here, tell me the formula. देखना नहीं, देख के कोई भी बताएगा, नहीं है तो खड़ा हो जाओ, पीछे जाओ, बेंच तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है, जाओ खड़ा हो जाओ. Yes, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. ठीक है. So अभी क्या होगा? अभी ये इक्वेशन में a वैल्यू कितना है? a वैल्यू इज 1, b वैल्यू इज minus 3, c वैल्यू इज 2. Okay. So I write now minus b. b, just write this minus first. Bracket डालो. b का वैल्यू कितना है? Minus 3. Write this minus 3. Here you will do mistake. Here minus b is there. You will directly take minus 3. That is wrong. Okay. Now plus or minus root of b square. Put bracket minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. Okay. Whole divided by 2 into a. Can I write 2 into 1 is 2? Okay. Now minus into minus is how much? Don't write. Don't write. Minus into minus is how much? Plus. So you get 3 plus or minus root of 3 square is 9 minus 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8 कितना हो गया? 1. So what answer you get? Okay, here you will get like this. 3 प्लस और माइनस 1/2. दैट मीन्स ये जो प्लस और माइनस है ना, आई विल राइट लाइक दिस 3 plus 1/2 or 3 minus 1/2. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. 4/2 is how much? 2. So one answer you got 2. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. 2/2? 1. So the value of x you get 2 or 1. 2 or 1. So this is the answer. How many of you got this? Himila? So good. Next question. Come. Parade was there. Parade था आज? Okay. क्या किया?
सर कुछ नहीं बेसिक सिखा रहे हैं अभी.
Uniform दिया?
No, they told they will give the
You have to go in college. They will give or
they'll give in college.
degree students. You have a thing called as external NCC here in Bangalore. Okay, in Tamil Nadu they have stopped. Okay, in Tamil Nadu they have stopped, but here in Bangalore you have external NCC. If in your college there is no NCC, you can go to Jakkur Airfield in Yelahanka and you can enroll yourself as an NCC candidate. And C certificate will be given. And in Air Force you have three things, that is flying branch, then designing, paragliding, and aero modeling. Aero modeling. So if you join Air Force NCC, you have to take either of this. एक आपको compulsory लेना है. If you take flying branch, what happens? You will be trained to become a pilot. ठीक है? You will be trained to become a pilot. So every Saturday you have to go there. One wing commander will come. He will take you in an aircraft with free of cost. You are going to fly a defense aircraft. So you just go to that Yalanka air base. I think some of you are from that area. एक छोटा सा एरोप्लेन हमेशा धीरे से उड़ते रहता है ना, वो कौन उड़ाता है? एनसीसी के बच्चे उड़ाते हैं. Okay, 19-20 साल के बच्चे उड़ाते हैं. 19 years 20 years guys they will fly. Okay, next, if you are not talented, imagine तुमको height से डर लगता है, you are afraid of height and all, you can go with designing, you can go, then you can go with paragliding, then aero modeling. Okay, so this many things are there in Air Force NCC external. So I think now June month, before June ending, you have to go and enroll your name and get selected. उधर selection process है, so go and do that. Don't waste time. ठीक है? अगर आपके कॉलेज में नहीं है तो you can go here. Okay, ready for next question? Right now 3y square plus 9y plus 4. 3y square plus 9y plus 4. लिखो, अविरल क्वेश्चन लिखना है. You got the answer? Y is equal to? Which method you did? Formula? Factorization. The fastest is factorization. Yes, करते हो क्या हुआ? कितना time? Okay, look here. So I take this as A. Okay, I take this as A, this as B, this as C. So what is the value of A? 3. What is the value of B? 9. What is the value of C? 4. So if imagine that guy has done with factorization method. So in the factorization method, I am going to multiply A and C. So what is A into C? 3 into 4. कितना हो गया? 12. Now let me take factors of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, then 3 into 4, next 4 into 3, 6 into 2. Yeah, it will be this thing ना कैसे मिला आपको गलत किया 9 को 8 ले लिया. Okay, so now I think you will get in roots. Yeah, अभी चलो इधर factors नहीं आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? So now it will be difficult in solving with the roots. Let us do with the completion of square method. The first thing you should keep in mind in completion of the square method, this value should be 1. So divide the whole equation. The equation is 3y square plus 9y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the question. I am doing with the second method, that is completion of the square method. Divide 3 to the whole equation. So what equation you get? Y square plus 3y plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the first step. Now in second step, what I am going to do? I am going to find the term here. Okay, so half into coefficient of y, the bracket whole square. So what happens? Half into coefficient of y kitna hai? 3. So this become 3 by 2 the whole square. So what happens here now? 9 by 4. Okay, so now this is in my mind. Abhi ye 4 by 3 comes to the right hand side, correct? So y square plus 3y is equal to minus 4 by 3. This is the second step. Third step, what I am going to add on both the side? 9 by 4. So this becomes y square plus 3y plus 9 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3 plus 9 by 4. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now solve it. It's easy here. It looks like I told you don't look at this after you have arrived this step. 9 ka square root है 3, 4 का square root है. So you get y plus 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to, now you just cross multiply, 16 plus 27 divided by 12. So how much you get? 11? No. 11 by 12? Okay, so you get y plus 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to 11 by 12. Now taking square root on both the side, you get plus 11. No, minus. Okay, so you get y plus 3 by 2 is equal to what? Root 11 by root 12. Now this 3 by 2 comes here. So y is equal to root 11 by root 12 minus 3 by 2. You get answer like this. Then again you can cross multiply and find the answer. So if you want to simplify, you get 2 root 11 minus 3 root 12 divided by 2 root 12. Okay, this will be the answer. Further, this 12 can be written as, okay, this 12, look at this, 12 can be written as 4 into 3, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So can I write this as 2 root 3? Okay, so down what happens, this is 2 root 11 minus 2 root 3 matlab 6 root 3 here, and this is 4 root 3. This can be answer or this can be answer. समझ में आया? So you get only one value. चलो fine, we'll check. Try solving now. Yes. Formula method. Yeah. How much you got? Take minute. 9 by 3 should be 3, no? I have taken correctly, no? Okay. This is 3. This is 4 by 3. By completion of the square method, you got this? Yes, sir. Okay. Suppose if I, how many of you got 9 and all these values? So we'll do little further. 2 root 11 minus 6 root 3. Now this is 4 root 3. So multiply and divide by 4 root 3. Okay. So this become 4 2s are 8. Okay. 8 root 33 minus 4 6 are 24 into 3. ओके 20, so 24 into 3 और नीचे हो जाएगा 16 into 3, so how much you get? नीचे 48 आएगा। ओके डिनोमिनेटर में हो गया 48, ये हो गया 8√33, ये हो गया 70, एक मिनट। ओके so if you take 8 common outside, this will be root 33 minus 9 divided by 48. 8 ones are, so I get the same thing now, just simplification, correct? Chalo. Here also they have done with formulas, so those who got 9√3/6, that is the correct answer, ठीक है? Y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Next question. एक मिनट। Y square plus 6y, this is the question. Y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0.
minus 3.
Hmm. Correct. Practice makes a man perfect and woman too. Correct? No need to solve. क्या हुआ? A plus B the whole square formula आता है नहीं आता है? ये देखो 9 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना है? 3. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into y. Okay. So now for example, I'll just do it. The answer is 3 minus 3. Next. Okay, जिसको नहीं आया ना वो previous question ये देखो. Y square 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and this is y. And this is y square. So this looks like a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square is nothing but y square. So a is nothing but y here and b is nothing but 3, correct? So 3 square. So this is directly y plus, okay, you will write like this, y plus 3 the whole square is equal to 0. Okay, now taking square root on both sides. So y plus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, this ये जो value है, this you have to take it twice because this is a quadratic equation. What is this here? Every time quadratic equation will have two values. You understand? It will have how many values? Two values. So don't just stop at minus 3. The answer for this question is minus 3 and minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3. ठीक है? Okay, next question. Okay, try this. 3x square minus 4√3x plus 4 is equal to 0.
was the 2 root 3
Which method you did?
factorization.
Oh yeah, factorization. 2 root 3 and 2 root 3. You get minus 2 root 3, correct? Yeah. Try by completion of square method. Okay, those who are in 11th and 12th standard or those who are trying for NDA, I want you guys to solve all the quadratic equation with completion of square method. You are not going to do with the help of formulas. CDS, IMA, CAPF, AFCAT students, I want you to solve by the formula method. Okay? Rest everyone will do with the completion of square method. Nobody will use factorization. You can use factorization. Amiral can use factorization. Okay? Okay. Cancel. That's it. Finally simplified. 2 root 3 by 3 is the answer. Kirti, what happened? Bring your notebook. पीछे उसको बुलाओ. I answer. Actually, root 3 should not be in the denominator. If you have got 2 root 3 by 3, stop there. Okay. B square minus discriminant B square minus 4AC. Write down these three conditions quickly. You were present yesterday, right? Why you sitting last? सामने आके बैठेगा तभी तो समझ में आएगा ना. You write down this. मेरे को from here I want right answers. ठीक है? So just focus on this. Start writing. Go. Today is Tuesday. By Thursday, I want all the students here, those who are in second PUC or in 11th and 12th, to be ready with your Navy SSR application. I don't want any excuses. Pata nahi tha. I don't know whether I will pass. I will write next time. Those who have procrastination habit, you will never pass. It's now and always now. That's it. Next attempt में try करेंगे. Next attempt में कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है? I will study for 6 months and then I will apply. 6 days also you won't study. Ready? Shall we go ahead now? So yesterday we have seen discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Correct? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, there are two distinct real roots. Always quadratic equation will have how many roots? Two roots. Distinct matlab different. Distinct matlab different. Okay. B square minus 4ac, if it is 0, that means how many roots you have? दो वैल्यू रहेंगे लेकिन equal रहेंगे. और निमिष. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, that means it has no real root. Those who are in 10th standard, those who are writing IMA, AFA, all this examination, GD, okay, you don't have the third part. Third part आपके syllabus में नहीं है, but these two parts are there. Those who are trying for NDA, you have this as the basic. Because in 11th also you have quadratic equation. After this you have alpha roots and beta roots. The product of the roots, the sum of the roots, वो सब आएगा. If you understand discriminant today, you can easily pass the quadratic equation in NDA. ठीक है? NDA, JE, CET, whatever it is. Okay, so imagine this is the equation. A will be 2, B will be minus 3 and C will be 5. Don't solve. Right? A will be 2, B will be minus 3 and C will be 5. First you have to find the value of B square minus 4AC. You have to check whether it is greater than 0, equal than 0 or less than 0. Then you have to write distinct roots, two distinct roots, two equal roots or two non-real roots. Okay, like that. So start doing it now. Yeah,
No real, no real roots.
No real roots. You have to be a little quick, okay? Don't be slow. What is the answer here?
No real roots.
Minus 31. So it's less than 0. So it has a real root or no real root?
No real roots.
Yes. Hence the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. That means imaginary. Okay, so minus को हम root I square ऐसे ले सकते हैं. That will do it later. Try doing this now. I think you will get plus. नहीं. करो करो. नहीं नहीं. Yes.
Two real.
Two distinct
Real
real
roots.
b square minus 4ac. So what I am going to do, this is the equation. It's a standard form. You have to check first. A value is equal to 2. B value is equal to minus 6. If you take plus 6, that's wrong. C value will be equal to 3. Now I am using the formula b square minus 4ac. So minus 6 square will be 36. Minus 24, you get 12. So greater than 0. That's it. Stop. Stop there itself. Okay, so आगे भी हम इसको x का वैल्यू ढूंढ सकते हैं, but right now need not do it. Okay, fine. So I think we have done with this. Okay, look at this now. Next type of question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay, last. Okay, two equal roots. Now tell me, if the question is stating that there are two equal roots, so discriminant value is greater than 0, equal than 0, greater less than 0.
Equal to zero.
इक्वल टू जीरो. बी स्क्वायर माइनस फोर इसे क्या हो जाता है? इक्वल टू जीरो. सो ए का वैल्यू कितना है इधर? लुक या डोंट सॉल्व. ए का वैल्यू कितना है? 2. बी वैल्यू k I don't know and c value 3. If you substitute that this values in b square minus 4ac, you will get the value of k. After finding the value of k, then you have to find the value of x. This is how your questions will proceed. Now look at this. Okay, what we have to find in this sum? Values of k. Okay. So now we have two equal roots. The question is demanding that we have two equal roots, the value of a, b and c. Look at this now. It is a standard form. A is 2, b is k and c is 3. So since the question is telling that two equal roots, that means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So what is the value of b here? K. So can I write here k square? Okay, so I write it at k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. So what is the value of k? Plus or minus 24 you can write, enough. Or you can say 2 root 6. That you can substitute here, 2x square plus 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6 plus 3 is equal to 0. Do you understand? Now try doing this now. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to Q 1 by 6. Oh, 1 by 6. Kx x minus 2 plus 6. Okay, क्वेश्चन क्या है? Kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First you have to solve the bracket k into x. So can I write this k into x square minus kx into minus 2. So can I write 2kx, this is plus 6 is equal to 0. So here a value is k, b value is minus 2, c value is 6. And they have told, okay, minus 2k, yeah, constant. Okay, next, here they are already telling that it is two equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So अब इधर क्या होगा? b square का value I will write it like this: minus 2k the whole square minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So this becomes 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. Correct? This itself is a quadratic equation. This itself is a quadratic equation. Now you have three steps, three methods to solve this quadratic equation: factorization, completion of square, or what? Formula. So now it looks easy for me to use the formula because here a value is 4, b value is minus 24, and c value is 0. So x is equal to, or you can say k is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Correct? So what is the b value here? Minus 24. So I'll write plus 24 plus or minus b square. Matlab 576 minus. This will become 0 because c value is 0. Whole divided by 2 into 8. That is 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. So what happens here now? This becomes 24 plus or minus 24 by 8. So here there are two possibilities: 24 plus 24. Correct? You get 48 by 8 or 0 by 8. So you get 6 or 0. These are the values of k. These are the values of k. Now I got the value of k. So now you have to write the equation like this: uh, 6x square minus 2 6 are 12x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, 0 cannot be the value because if this becomes 0, what happens? It is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Imagine, for example, this I take it as 0. So what is remaining? Only this constant will be remaining, plus 6. So what is the answer? Is equal to 6. Yeah. Chalo. Next. Okay. Okay, Sam. Question लिखा? Start solving. a bomb that is k minus 12. ठीक है, उसको don't touch that. If you touch it, it will explode. Then you cannot solve it. Think, think and do it. अनिरुद्ध, क्या कर रहे हैं? नोटबुक ऊपर रखो, बैग नीचे रखो. Keep your notebook up on the desk.
Sir, is it -5?
What -5? k का वैल्यू बोल रहा है या फिर x का वैल्यू बोल
K
रहा
का
है?
value.
सॉल्व करेंगे.
Sir, K is equals to -10 or K is equals to 12?
Okay, we'll try it. इधर देखो. The question is k minus 12 in bracket you have x square, then what you have? Plus 2 into k minus 12, correct? X plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Sure.
Fine. Okay. So now imagine if you open the bracket, you mess up. You will not get the answer because it becomes another lengthy equation. So let k minus 12 is equal to, let me take it as capital A. Let me take it as capital A. So what happens to this equation? Ax square plus ax plus 2ax, correct? Plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here what I have to find? A. So what is the value of small a here? Capital A. That is B is 2a and C is 2. And what the question is telling? They has equal roots, real and equal root. That means क्या हो जाता है? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So B square here what happens? 4a square minus 4 into a into 2 is equal to 0. So this is 4a square minus 8a is equal to 0. Correct? Now I take 4a common. Okay, this becomes a minus 2 is equal to 0. So if I take 4a is equal to 0, a value will be equal to 0. This I cannot take. A I cannot take. So what is remaining? A minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to how much? Did you all understand? But is this my answer? No, because what I considered, k minus 12 is equal to a. So can I write here k minus 12 is equal to 2? So what happens? Minus 12 comes to right hand side. This becomes 2 plus 12. So what is the value of k? 14. So is this the answer? No. Why? Because the equation is k minus 12. What is that? X square plus k minus 12 2x, correct? 2x plus 6 है 2 है plus 2 is equal to 0. So now I got the k value how much? 14. So what I do? 14x square plus 28x plus 2 is equal to 0. Did you all understand? अच्छा, k वैल्यू 14 है तो ठीक है, तो ये इसको माइनस करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 2x square. Good, good. 2x square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now can you do with the method of factorization formula completion of square? That's it. PUC students will do completion of square. Rest of you will do with factorization method. Start doing it. What form? किसमें? यहाँ पे. Okay. करो ट्राई करो मैं भी ट्राई करता हूँ. Yes.
Not 4x square. K plus 2 28x. 28x.
यहाँ पे.
16 32x sir. 32x. K
Wait.
plus 2x
नहीं, this is k minus 12. So 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 into 2 4x. You are telling here it should be 32.
Yes, sir.
No, ये equation ही गलत है ना. नहीं नहीं, this is wrong. Try to understand. I wrote a wrong equation. This is not plus. This is minus. ठीक है? ओके, a इज इक्वल टू 0 भी अगर आपने कंसिडर किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? k माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0, सो k जो आएगा 12। इधर देखो पूजा, तुम्हारा डाउट। सो मुझे अगर मैंने a वैल्यू 0 लिया तो k वैल्यू मुझे कितना मिलेगा? 12 मिलेगा। सो अगर मैंने ये k वैल्यू 12 लिया और 12 मैंने इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो कितना मिलेगा? 0। सो कैन आई से इट इज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन? नो, दैट्स व्हाई आई अवॉइड देयर इटसेल्फ। ठीक है, कितना मिला? यस एवरीवन, गुड। Okay, see here on the screen, they have directly used b square minus 4ac. If you find this easy, you can do it by this method, or if you find my method easy, you can do it by that method. Okay, so whichever method is easy, again you get the same quadratic equation. Okay, दोनों को common लेके, okay, ये सब अगर आपको ये easy लगता है, अगर ये पसंद आता है तो do this. Otherwise, if you like my steps, that will be easy. Okay, try it now.
is equals to minus 1 or 1 by 3.
That is the value of k, right? Which method you did? Formula? No, discriminant value you have directly taken, or you assumed something k minus 1 as t, something like that.
No, sir, I took discriminant value directly. I expanded.
Yes, done. How did you expand?
Sir,
लेके आओ लेके आओ. This is this question, right? Okay. ठीक है. Okay, you multiplied into bracket.
kx है सर वो लिखने में चाहिए.
Okay, so minus 2k plus 2 the whole square minus ये क्या है?
4 into 4 into k square into
Why you are taking like this?
so 4ac.
Okay, b square minus 4ac only. That's what I'm asking. B square minus ये b correct. But what about completion of square method? Yeah, did you all understand? समझ में आ रहा है या फिर करूँ मैं? Yeah, Ajay, Sam, did you understand? 1 by? No, 1 by 3. K value should be 1 by. You're telling x value or k value? K value should be 1 by 3. Did you all understand or do you want me to solve? Yeah? देखें कितना understood मालूम पड़ेगा टेस्ट रखने के. Okay, try doing this now. Has only one root. So three conditions, you know, discriminant का.
So m is equal to 1 and 2.
1 and 2. M 1 and 2 है. Okay. जल्दी बताओ पीछे. Still we have word problems. Which method you take? इसको इसको B पकड़ा है, इसको A पकड़ा है, ऐसे किया है. Okay. ठीक है. You can do by the other method also. Take m minus 1 as t, then you get tx square. You can do like that also. Yes. M minus 1, this is x square minus 2 into m minus 1, this is x, correct, plus 1 is equal to 0. See, in the last question I told you, let m minus 1 is equal to some value. I have taken a. Now I can take t, I can solve. I get the same answer. For example, tx square minus 2tx plus 1 is equal to 0. So here a becomes t, b becomes minus 2t and c will become 1. Then for this question I will apply the formula b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why should I take is equal to 0? Because in question they have told one root. One root matlab this will be equal to 0. You solve this, you get the value of t, and this t value you have to substitute here, and then you find the value of m. Yes or no? Okay, next you can do like this also. Let this be a. So A value is equal to m minus 1. B is minus 2 into m minus 1. This complete thing will be B. Okay. And C will be equal to 1. Now what is the formula? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. B square. Write down here minus 2 m minus 1 the whole square. Okay. The whole square. Now minus 4 into A value is how much? M minus 1 and C value is 1, so anything into 1 is the same number, so take it like this. So now this becomes 4 m minus 1 the whole square minus 4 m minus 1 is equal to 0. After this what to do? How many of you done like this? How many of you got till here? After this I am not getting. Raise your hand properly. After this I am not getting. Yes, what you are trying? You try to open this into a minus b the whole square. क्या किया आपने? Divide by 4 किया. Okay, you can just with a look here. You can divide by 4. Otherwise, you can take this as one more quadratic equation. You can take this as a is equal to 4, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 0. You can once again try this. Otherwise, look at this. Can I take here 4m minus 1 common? Here 4m minus 1 the whole square. So can I take here, this is m minus 1 bracket में 1 is equal to 0. ले सकता हूँ नहीं ले सकता हूँ? Correct? Okay. Now look at this and this, that is 4 m minus 1 is equal to 0, or m, this will get minus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 2 is one value and m is equal to 1 is one value. How many of you got this? M is equal to 1 or m is equal to 2? By this method, or again you did quadratic equation? नहीं नहीं, इसके बाद till here everyone will be getting the same, right? After this what you did? Yes, right. What you simplify? Divide by 4. Then yeah, yeah. What you did like the last question. ठीक है. Fine. Next, how many of you got answer as 1 and 2? Yes. What you did? M minus 1 is equal to A. No, you can't take m minus 1 is equal to A. You have to take the constant as the value. Okay. But you got the same answer? I'll check. See, sometimes what happens, you will get the correct answer, 1 and 2. But your method will be wrong. Okay? So, here I am to correct you and tell you the shortcuts. You can save your time like this. So, some of the students, they have divided by this, by 4. So, you get m minus 1 the whole square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so what happens? This looks like a square minus ab, okay, something like that. Like this also you can go. Okay, otherwise you can take this a value as 4, b value as minus 4, c value as 0. Then use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4. You see, once again you have to do it, get the answer. Okay, so next question. Let me see here what they have done. Okay, same thing. What I did now, they have done the same thing here. So m is 2 or m is 1. Try doing this now. You have to prove Yes, answer. नहीं आ रहा है. Use that formula, no? B square minus 4ac. This is all 10th standard level question. ठीक है? क्या हो गया? B minus C, this is x square plus C minus A, this is into x plus A minus B is equal to 0. Okay, so it is a quadratic equation. Nice on the screen. I'm solving here now. X square. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. So here, this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. Here the clue is they are equal roots. So what happens to B square minus 4AC? B square minus 4AC will be equal to 0. Abhi B square. So can I write here C minus A the whole square minus 4 into A is what? B minus C. And what about C here? A minus B is equal to 0. Correct? Okay. We'll do step by step. Now first let us try to solve this. Okay. 4 को ऐसे ही रखो. B into A is how much? AB. B into minus B is how much? Minus B square. This becomes minus AC. And finally you get plus CB is equal to 0. Right? And this is C square plus A square minus 2AC. Correct. Now open the bracket. This becomes C square plus A square minus 2AC minus 4AB minus 4B square. No, minus 4AB, no, minus 4 into AB. Okay, plus 4B square, then plus 4AC, and then minus 4CB is equal to 0. Correct? Then what will get cancelled here now? Anything? You have minus 2AC and 4AC. So just take squares everything on one side. You get C square plus A square. Okay. Plus 4B square. Now you take minus 4AB and you take plus 2AC minus 4CB is equal to 0. You get like this? Okay. 4B square. I think this can be written as minus 2AB minus 2AB. This can be written as minus 2CB minus 2CB. Okay. So if you take, and this 4B square can be written as 2B the whole square, 2B the whole square. Okay. So now if I say take C square plus 2B the whole square, CB. If I take 1CB minus 2CB on one side. So 1 is done. Okay. Next, what is left behind? A square. So A square plus 2B square minus 2AB. Okay, minus 2AB. Okay, so that means A square is done and minus 2AB is done. And what is done? किधर है? Yeah, 2B square is also done. So this is done. Correct? So what is left behind? Minus 2AB is left. Correct? And minus? This is done. 2AC plus 2AC and minus 2CB is equal to 0. Correct? So now this looks like C minus B the whole square plus this looks like A minus B the whole square minus, if I take 2 common, this becomes AB plus AC minus CB is equal to 0. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? Now look at this. A square plus B square minus 2ab. Correct? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So can I write this as a minus b the whole square? Correct? So c minus b minus a plus b the whole square is equal to 0. Now tell me what happens here? It gets cancelled. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता ना? Bracket? Yeah. A plus b आएगा ना? नहीं नहीं नहीं. This is A I am considering. This is A and this is B. C B. I think we have reached the second last step and small sign mistake. Here A minus B. Minus B. You are telling like this. 1 minute. A minus B the whole square. This is A. Okay. So A minus of B. That means A minus B. It should be like this. So if I open the bracket, C minus B minus A plus B, it should be like this. So I think it get cancelled. Let me try like this. C minus A minus 2B is equal to 0. C minus A is equal to 2B. What's the question they are asking? Plus पूछा है ना? I think we have done a small sign mistake. Chalo, we'll check the answers now. What here the solution is given. Look here. If there is any shortcut, let me see. Okay, they are doing the same method here. A is B minus C, B is C minus A, and C is A minus B. Correct? B square minus 4AC. C minus A the whole square plus 4 into B minus C. ये हमने सही किया था, right? So using the formula, x minus y the whole square is equal to x square. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Till here we did the same. 4ab minus 4b square and minus 4bc. Okay. So this we got, this equation we got. Okay. So c square plus 2ac plus a. Okay. हमने sign mistake किया है बस. A plus c the whole square. Correct? This can be written as a plus c the whole square. Now, okay, taking 2 common outside in the second term. That's it. This can be written as a plus c the whole square, and this it looks like 2b square. Taking common again, y square. Okay. The whole square is equal to 0. That's it. Taking minus 2b to the right side, you get the answer. Hence proved. Okay. So once again, I'll do this question. Just try to write it down. Question लिख के रखो. Don't solve. Question लिख के रखो. Have you written down the question? Next question. Okay. So here we start with the word problem. Do it quick. Okay. Rectangular mango grew, they are telling. So what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. Same, I think same question yesterday we have done it. Length is only the area was different, 528 something. Okay, look at this now, eyes on the screen. So here we have rectangular mango grew. Length and breadth we have to find. Okay, so length is twice its breadth. Matlab L is equal to 2b. Okay, so if the breadth is x, the length will become 2x. Yes or no? The length will become 2x. Now according to the condition, area is given 800 meter. So what is area of rectangle? 2x into x is equal to 800. So 2x square is equal to 800. So can I write x square is equal to 400? So what is square root of 400? Plus or minus 20. So can I take the length as minus 20? No. So the answer is 20. Then you have to put the breadth value is 20 there and the length is 40. That's it. So the breadth is how much? 20 and the length is 40. Start doing it now quick. So from here aptitude question starts. It's important for all the afcat aptitude student, SSB, OIR, Coast Guard, General Duty. Written the question? Okay, look here. Eyes on the screen. Is the following situation possible? Okay, we have to see there are two friends. The sum of the age of the friend is 20. 4 years ago means before, minus you have to subtract. The product of their ages was 48. So look at this. What we have to find? We have to find the present age. Okay. Do we know their ages? We don't know. So what I'm going to do? Let the first friend age be x and the second friend age will be okay. Y you can consider, but here they have given you the clue. What is that? The sum of their ages is, देखो अगर y consider करोगे तो वो double variable हो जाएगा. Okay, two variables. So you can go like this. Okay, x plus second friend's age is equal to 20. So second friend age can I say as 20 minus x? Yes. Okay, so I can take 20 minus x. Now you solve it. The sum of the age, the product of their ages, x into 20 minus x. Okay, look at this here. 4 years before, the age will be x minus 4 and the second friend age is 20 minus x minus 4. So this becomes 16 minus x. Okay, so 4 years ago, the product was how much? 48. So x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. Okay, like this. This is 48. Now can you solve this equation? Try solving it. Try solving quick. Please answer. कितना टाइम? यस अर्थ क्या हुआ? नहीं मिला पीछे कितना मिला टिंकू? क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? x minus 4 16 minus x is equal to ओके क्या है ये? x minus 4 और उसके बाद 16 minus x is equal to 48. ये हो जाएगा 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. ठीक है? So 16x plus 4x हो जाएगा 20x. ओके सो प्लस 20x. अभी 64 minus 48 हो जाएगा कितना? 212 minus 112 is equal to 0. So here it is minus. ठीक है ना? इसको माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. अभी कितने टाइप्स के मेथड है अपने पास? तीन टाइप. तो कौन सा यूज करेंगे हम? अगर फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे तो हमको c का भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, वो बड़ा हो जाएगा. So can I use completion of square method? Okay. So completion of square method में हम क्या करेंगे? x square minus 20x is equal to minus 112. Okay. अभी ये coefficient of x कितना है? Half into coefficient of x to the power of square. So क्या हो जाएगा? Half into minus 20 to the power of square. So 2 ones are 2 tens are minus 10 का square कितना हो गया? 100. Yes or no? So I'm going to add 100 on both sides. This becomes x square minus 20x plus 100 is equal to 112 minus 112 plus 100. So this looks like x minus 10 the whole square और ये कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 12. Correct? If you take the square root, you get x minus 10 is equal to, you can say minus root 12. Yes or no? अभी ये x को इधर लेके जाएंगे, so x is equal to root of minus 12 and this is plus 10. Correct? Okay, so root 12 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 2 root 3. Yes or no? 2 root 3 or you can say, रुको, minus 2 root, ये तो i हो जाएगा ना, imaginary से. Yeah? Okay, so I root minus 1 is I. So root minus 1 into root 12 plus 10. Okay, so you get root minus 1 ऐसे लिखना. इसको लिखेंगे हम 2 root 3 plus 10. अभी root 3 का वैल्यू है 1.7. So 1.7 का twice, that means 3.4. 3.4 plus 10. No, you can't do like that because it is multiplied. Something you get like this here. So maybe check करता हूँ. Yeah. Anyone, any other answer? Otherwise, I think directly you have to take x minus 4 is equal to 48 and 16 minus x is equal to 4. Same thing, we get the same quadratic equation. This is how you do quadratic factors. Formula method. There is no real roots. No answer. So how many of you did not get the answer? Your answer is right. Okay, so first time everyone answer is right. Yeah. Chalo. Wait a minute. I'll change the thing because word problem से डर लगता है. So take down everyone. I will check your notes now. ठीक है? देखता हूँ कितना fundamental strong है. Now this question is specially for afcat students and NDA. 11 12 सब लोग except दो लोग को छोड़ के बाकी सब लोग करोगे. You and Aviral. Okay, except these two, rest of you will try this question. X is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Start. SSC, CGL, MTS, they will ask this kind of questions. And rest of you, those who are in 10th or just in 11th, ये question ले लो. அஜய் அங்க வராது, நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க, அப்பதான் வரும். Yeah, most of you are getting it. Keep trying. Yes. Okay, look here. This question is from 10th standard. Okay. Look at this. There is an exam called as NTSC. How many of you tried NTSC? National Talent Search Examination. Many of you don't know what is NTSC. ठीक है? Just look at this. NTSC में अगर आप पास हो जाएंगे, if you pass this NTSC examination, every month 2,000 rupees will be given in your bank account till you study. Imagine you are doing PUC, 11th and 12th. You will get 24,000 in a year. In 11th standard. In 12th standard, you will get 24,000. That means you are paying your school fees by your pocket. Next, if you go to college, they will give you 3,000 rupees per month. So till you study PhD, doctorate, so till the age of 30, they will keep financing. This is the central government scheme. And once if you pass NTSC, all the government job is in your hand. समझ में आया? Okay, so the schools, they will not tell these things to students because the student, there is no online application. Okay, the students should go to the principal in the month of September, go and apply for NTSC, then they should do it. Very rarely, very few principals will come and encourage students to write NTSC. ठीक है? Other schools अभी international schools है, private schools है. They say, even I have met many principal, and if I want students to write NTSC, मैं जाता हूँ, I go to many school and colleges, I say, dear ma'am, dear sir, I want students of 10th standard to write this NTSC because their future will be good. You know what is the response? The principal, they say that, no sir, my student is not of that caliber. मेरे students का औकात नहीं है उतना. Okay, you are paying fees, but look at the mentality of the principal. But principal's daughter and son will be writing this exam. Okay, that is the status of India's education system now. This is 2 by 1. Okay, the denominator is different. Put it in bracket. Can I cross multiply? Right? So 2 into 2 minus x. Look at this. 2 into 2 minus x. This is minus. Now this is 1 into 1 is how much? 1. Whole divided by 1 into bracket 2 minus x. Can I write here 2 minus x bracket? Yes? बोलो कुछ तो.
Yes, sir.
2 into 2 is how much? 4. 2 into minus x is minus 2x minus 1 divided by 2 minus x. Now 4 minus 1 is how much? Just give the 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. So can I write 3 minus 2x divided by 2 minus x? This is the last simplification for this one. Yes or no? So instead of this, what will I write? Take a minute. Okay, instead of this, what will I write now here? 3 minus 2x bracket whole divided by what is down here? Bracket 2 minus x. Now this 2 minus x will go and multiply to this 1. Okay. So now what happens? I am going to solve the second part here. Okay. Now for example, this part I am going to solve. ये वाला. Okay. So ये हो जाएगा 2 minus this 2 minus x goes up. 2 minus x bracket. Okay. And down what we have? 3 minus 2x. This is 2 by 1. Correct. Now can I cross multiply? This becomes 2 into 3 minus 2x minus 2 minus x whole divided by 3 minus 2x. Did you all understand? Okay, now 2 into 3 is how much? 6 minus 2 into 2 is how much? 4x minus 2 plus x. I'm opening the bracket. Minus 2 and then plus x. Whole divided by this is 3 minus 2x. Now tell me 6 and minus 2 how much you get? 4. Minus 4x and plus x how much you get? Minus 3x divided by 3 minus 4x. So instead of this, okay, instead of this complete thing, what will I write here? Yep, 3 minus 2x, right? 3 minus 2x. So did you all understand? Instead of this, what I'm going to write here now? 4 minus 3x divided by 3 minus 2x bracket. Now what happens to this 3 minus 2x? Goes up. Correct? So look at this. The question becomes x is equal to 3 minus 2x bracket. This is 4 minus 3x bracket. Now can I cross multiply? This becomes x into 4 minus 3x is equal to bracket 3 minus 2x. This is 4x minus 3x square is equal to 3 minus 2x. Now solve. If minus 2x goes here, this becomes minus 3x plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Correct? No, you just multiply minus sign, you get 3x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, a value is 3, b value is minus 6, c value is 3. I can use directly formula, that is x is equal to, by Aviral, what is the formula? Wait, root of b, what is wrong here? B square. Okay. So next, still you stand because you missed the square. Okay. So इधर क्या हो जाएगा? 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 into 3 into 3 whole divided by 6. Okay. So 6 plus or minus root of 36. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 0 you get 6. I think 1. Answer is 1. That's it. Okay. Okay. T लेके वो गलती से आया होगा। वही मैं बोला हूँ ना, देखो ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन में इतना डिफरेंस है कि ऑनलाइन में भी किसी बच्चे को एक वन आंसर आया बट कुछ गलत स्टेप से आया। टीचर इज हैप्पी कि हाँ वन स्टूडेंट गॉट द आंसर, ही इज टीचिंग ऑनलाइन, वन स्टूडेंट इज गेटिंग द आंसर, बट हियर आई कैन मेक आउट दैट यू गेट द आंसर बट रॉन्ग स्टेप। If you use this step in your ND examination, will you get right answer? You think it is right. I think my student got the answer, but in exam will it happen? That's the main problem with online and offline. समझ में आया? ये अभी अगर मैं वीडियो बनाऊं ऑनलाइन में, इफ आई मेक अ यूट्यूब वीडियो, डियर स्टूडेंट्स डोंट गो लाइक दिस, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, तो लोग क्या करेंगे, यार ये बकवास कर रहा है, आगे चलो। कम दाम में चुने ना पैसा, कम दाम में एनडीए पास करेंगे, इन लेस मनी विल पास एनडीए सीडीएस, दे विल जस्ट डू ऑनलाइन स्टडीज। ठीक है, एंड रिमेंबर वन थिंग, टेक केयर ऑफ योर आईज व्हेन यू आर preparing for this examination. The screen should be black, the letter should be white, dark होना चाहिए बैकग्राउंड, and always study in bright lights. In home also, always study in bright light. Don't switch off all the lights. Don't watch too much TV. Don't watch too much mobile phone. You are reading WhatsApp message, anything, darken your screen. Dark kar do screen ko. The more you are reducing the light on your eyes, it will be safe. Otherwise, in medical there will be problem. Because this 11th, this 12th, MDA, GD, Army, Navy, Air Force, you have to study lot. Physical thing come last. Agnipath maybe physical fitness is coming in the end. First is written examination. Okay. So take down few questions and I want you to solve it now. Now everyone will solve it. Ready? Quick. X minus 4. X plus 2. I want the value of x. Keep writing the questions first. Aviral, what is the formula of x? Formula method. हाँ. क्या हो गया? पहले थोड़ा you had little knowledge. You had little thing but अभी वो भी भूल गया. There are so many formulas. हाँ बोलो.
x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2.
Okay, come sit now. Keep doing it fast. I will check your notes now. NDA 11th and 12th, I want completion of square method from your side because that will be helpful in integration. Okay. Rest of you can solve by factorization, otherwise formula. Just try to practice by completion of square method. Keep solving. I have so many questions here. Yeah. You can show me these questions and then you can go home.